Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Runaway Bay, which is in St. Anne, Jamaica. We are giving you an update on the Palm Beach villas. Very nice villas in Runaway Bay. And Runaway Bay is on the north coast of Jamaica. Now this development is on 21 acres and you're going to have 22 villas in the development. So as you can see, they are not completed yet. Some are more advanced and some reach the completion, but the project is on the way. Now this area of Jamaica is booming with activity. The north coast has always been where you have the center of tourist activity. And these villas are more than likely going to be a part of some Airbnb or basically some tourist development. Basically, persons will buy them and rent them out, probably through Airbnb or one of those websites, basically. So we said there are 22 villas in this development. It's going to be a gated community and it's going to have access to the beach. So this is perfect for an Airbnb rental. Now we're not 100% sure on the price, but each villa will have 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and they have different kinds of villas. Now the price that we got was 1.85 million US per villa, or that's what they start at, because I have 3 different kind of villas. You have the ocean view villas, you have the lagoon villas, and you have beachfront villas. And the square footage starts at about 4,953 and goes up to 5,000 and something, depending on the one that you choose. So the price that we got was 1.85 million US, but we're not sure which one of the villas that is for. But as you can see, it's a very nice development. And with 5 bedrooms, it's definitely a nice property. And Runaway Bay has hotels. They have a lot of other villas. They are right next door to Ocho Rios, where you can find the top 3 attractions in Jamaica: Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, and Dolphin Cove. This area is about 45 minutes from Montego Bay, which is where you find the Sangster International Airport, and it's probably 20 or 30 minutes away from Ocho Rios. So getting here from the airport is very easy, and then leaving the villa to go to do some other tourist activity, very easy. And the Northern Coastal Highway between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, which is where you would pass through Runaway Bay, is being upgraded to 4 lanes. So to get there is even going to be easier and much quicker. And they're actually building a bypass for Runaway Bay, so you don't have to. Most of the traffic doesn't have to go through Runaway Bay on their way to Ocho Rios. And one of the reasons why Runaway Bay is getting a bypass is because of the increase in traffic that they expect on the north coast. So, because you have a lot of developments in Ocho Rios, the entire north coast, Ocho Rios, Trelawney, Discovery Bay, even Runaway Bay has a lot of activities. They're actually building a hotel in Runaway Bay also. So we'll keep you guys updated on all these projects. And then Draxall is the fastest growing community in Jamaica, with hundreds, if not thousands, of homes being built. You name it, they have that building growing up in Draxall. About 15 commercial buildings are under construction as we speak. You can check out our videos on that channel, on that development. You have hotels going up in Trelawney, you have one going up in Runaway Bay, and you also have a lot of other developments in Runaway Bay, a lot of developments in Discovery Bay. This entire area or section of Jamaica is just booming with activity. And the government is investing in this in the North Coast. They're upgrading the roads, they're upgrading the airports. So, and private developers now, you have a Starbucks, a KFC, a Pizza Hut, a Sakuro. So many places going up in Discovery Bay. No, sorry, in Draxall. And Draxall is probably 15 minutes away from here. So this is definitely, Runaway Bay is definitely a very nice place to visit. And getting there is so easy now. You really have to give the government credit in developing the infrastructure for the North Coast. And the expansion of the Northern Coastal Highway from Montego Bay to Ocho is going to be the most expensive project the government has undertaken in modern history. So that is how committed they are to developing the North Coast. So this is the road we're talking about now, the Northern Coastal Highway. Currently it runs through Runaway Bay, but a bypass is going to be built for Runaway Bay, so you can traverse this area much easier, which will also help because Runaway Bay is getting bigger, so you don't want unnecessary traffic coming through there because it will have so much traffic on its own. You can see how busy the road is. You see how long it's taking us just to get onto the roadway. And you can see these villas from the road. So they're centrally located. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Remember we give you guys updates on all the major developments in Jamaica every 2 weeks. So hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. Alright guys. Have a good day and leave your comments in the section below. Also, if there's a video you want us to make, just leave a comment in the section below. We'll be happy to do it. We tour the entire country. Alright guys, have a good day.